Hi everybody, how are you? Welcome back to the channel. It's been so long. So what I'm sharing with you here today is something I've been working on. Granted, it's now February 6th, so I'm, well, if you were going to start at January 1st, I'm 5 weeks behind, and I was planning on February 1st, so I'm 5 days behind, but I'm going to try my best to catch up. So what I'm doing is I want to try the envelope cash stuffing savings challenges. There's quite a few out there to choose from. So what I'm showing you here is I just took a tin that was a Christmas tin and just covered it with some paper I had when I was getting into paper crafts. To make it more like springish. And I did this very on the cheap, so I reused the tin. I made my own envelopes, 100 of them, and you'll see that in a little bit. And then you can see those star stickers on the table there. I just labeled them 1 through 100 because my intention was to start the 100-day savings challenge. Now, throughout the last week or 2 weeks or so, I actually sprung for a binder that has some vellum envelopes and 2 books with different savings challenges that I plan on making a video and going over them with you. But I think it's going to be a lot of fun. It brings me back kind of to my childhood where, we used to save money in envelopes, or I know I did, certain things for certain things, Christmas, I don't know, whatever bills we had, as when we were younger, car insurance, things like that. So anyways, this is just a very chill video. It was very early in the morning. I'm just showing you the top of the box here. Since then, I put some other decorations on the front of it. It's very cute. And coming up here, I'll show you the envelopes. So basically what I did was I took a thicker piece of paper and used that as a guide. And then I just kept cutting these squares over and over. Look how pretty they are. They're such a bright variety, especially in this dark weather. I don't know what climate you're in, but it's very drab, very depressing, dark out. There's the paper I used from Walmart. It's pretty thin paper, and I just basically made a square and then glued it together. There's the guide I used. So I'm just showing you that. I mean, this is your priority bored to tears, and you probably, if I had to do this again, I was just trying to think up something to do with what I had in my house. So essentially this whole little project was free, minus the stickers. I had to go get those at the dollar store. But if I had to do it again, or if I had to recommend to somebody, I might just say, go buy a box of 100 envelopes at the dollar store. And then you can just write on them 1 through 100. And then I see some people buy cute stickers, and when they fill it, they put a sticker on the back. And then they open them all at once when they're done with the project. Now, for those that don't know what I'm talking about, so what these envelopes were made for is a 100-day challenge. So in other words, on day 1, you put $1. Day 2, you put $2. And you build yourself up to 100 days. So basically the last days you'll be doing like 95, 96, 97. Now that could get a little overwhelming. So what I figured we'd do is when we had a little bit more, we'd pick one more towards the back, a higher denomination, and leave some in the front that are lower so that we have relief. So, but you could do it chronologically if you want, or you could do it random and make it more like a game. And it is 100 days, so I guess it doesn't really matter if I'm late because it just, depends. You can start at any 100-day block. Now, apparently with this, you'll save over $5,000 if you're able to do it. You will see I put $1 in number 1, but by the morning it was gone. My daughter had already taken it. So, like I said before, I'm going to have to carry this box with me. But in the meantime, I did buy some books that I'm going to be showing you guys soon with other challenges that are pretty amazing how quickly you can save. Now, here's a paper. And as you do it, you fill in. So like I put the $1 in, or I am, and then you go to your little paper and you fill out the little block, or it's shaped like a little envelope. And I got that on free or for free on the internet. So I just printed a couple of them off. And you can use different colors. I mean, you can make it as creative as fun. I think this would be a good activity for children as well. Quite possibly not this challenge because the denominations get up there, but if some of the other challenges that came in some of the books, they seem, like something a child could actually accomplish. But I'm just walking you through this, and I have it on fast forward, so here it's in, and just so you guys can see. So there's the paper, there's the box, there are my little envelopes I made, and I don't know, just something fun, different, and by means of having some cash in the house, because we never have cash in the house anymore. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope you come back for when I start stuffing these babies. All right, I hope you guys are all doing well. It's nice to talk to you all again, and I'll catch up with you soon.